Two people. Just two. That is the entire full-time staff behind a company projecting nearly $2 billion in revenue while handling the medical needs of 500,000 patients. It sounds like a tech fever dream, but this is the reality of a modern weight loss platform that has exploded across your social media feeds. On the surface, the appeal is massive. We are talking about access to weight loss medications at a fraction of the usual cost. While the brand name versions can easily set you back over $1,000 every single month, this company offers a compounded version for under $200. For anyone struggling with their weight and their wallet, that looks like a lifeline. They have thousands of positive reviews and certifications that make them look like a powerhouse of reliability. But when you peel back the digital sticker, the machinery underneath is a lot more strange. The government actually flagged them recently because their website was misleading about how they handle the medicine. They were implying they compound the drugs themselves, which they do not. Then there is the marketing side, which feels like a science fiction movie. Investigators found hundreds of accounts on social media pretending to be doctors to push this specific service. These were not real people with medical degrees. They were artificial intelligence creations using fake photos linked to fake credentials and physical addresses that do not even exist. It is a bold move to use fabricated medical professionals to build trust with real patients. If the faces on the ads are fake, you have to wonder what else is being glossed over for the sake of a sale. The pricing structure has its own surprises too. That low entry price is often just a teaser. Once you are in, the monthly cost jumps up by more than $100. If you want to cancel, you have a tiny window of 72 hours before you are locked in. People have been complaining about refund issues and communication hurdles for a while now. The weirdest part is that this is not really a healthcare provider. It is a massive marketing funnel built on other people's work. They outsource the doctors to one company and the pharmacy to another. Even the compliance is handled by someone else. Those two employees are basically just managing a giant digital traffic jam. You are not really getting their care. You are getting a pre-packaged service they bought from a third party and rebranded with a slick logo. To make things worse, their clinical partner recently suffered a massive data breach where over 1 million patient records were exposed. That is deeply personal information sitting out there. If you understand that these compounded drugs are not officially government approved and you are okay with the billing jumps, the system might work for you. Many people are happy with the results. However, the combination of fake ads, regulatory warnings, and security issues should make anyone pause. It is a wild new world where a billion-dollar medical operation can be run by two people with an internet connection and $20,000 in startup cash. Talk to your own primary doctor who knows your actual history first. Real health is never just a one-size-fits-all subscription box.